ko boisietab rabisiek en emoni anan economist anan chitab kolenjin kikusyini kong noton ngalalet nebo Azimio One Kenya Alliance ole kakomuch komongei ako girinda en kimnatet budget nebo kimuch kesomon en betutab amut notok nebo 2024 ak 2025 nekoimuch kosomon Dr. Njuguna Ndungu minister en ministry notok nebo treasury en tuyet nekaimuch koyai ak sirikab logoiwek en county nebo Nairobi kokamwa Kalonzo Musyoka en statement nekasomonji sirikab logoiwek kole kirindo en kimnatet budget notok netindo arorutik chebendi konyalili biikab boror akot kounoton kokaimuch Kalonzo Musyoka kobor anan kaimuch Kalonzo Musyoka kokochi kurset kosubik chotok anan membaekab kot neking'oten ng'atutik cherichin komosta nechigili serikali anan Azimio koker kole koituyogei en kibagenge asikobit kekirinda ak kewirta birinoton bo budget nekibendi kitito taitab bunge en komalo.
As a result, our local and export markets will be negatively impacted. Retail prices will rise, mwananchi will be burdened, and cash flow requirements will rise during a period when interest rates are rising. Azimio believes that our country's focus should be on helping enterprises and the manufacturing industry to create jobs and wealth, increase productivity, cut living costs, and finally, bring prosperity to Kenyans. We therefore reaffirm our stand that all well-meaning Kenyans must oppose the Finance Bill 2024 and have thus instructed all our parliamentary members to lead from the front in rejecting this punitive bill in its totality. Finally, we salute Kenyans who have used text messaging, phone calls, and social media initiatives, #FindMyMP, to urge their legislators to listen to their constituents and vote no. This peaceful civic assertiveness and engagement will eventually become the norm, especially under our leadership as your government